Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Substack tutorial how to create a newsletter with Substack. So first things first, you have to go to Substack and then you just have to start publishing. If you don't have an account yet, you need to create an account first. And if you have an account already, then tap on sign in. Now to create an account, it needs your email address. So you have to enter your email address right here, agree to the terms and conditions, and then tap on continue. Once done, you can see your account right now. You can edit your email right here. And then you can also upgrade your subscription. If you want to edit something, just go on to your account. So you can see here content preferences, you can see here privacy, security, and then danger zone. Now, once you're done with your account, then you can go back to your feed here. You can see all of the people who are using Substack. You can also subscribe to them if you want. Just go on to the right side. You can see accounts right here and then tap on subscribe. You can scroll and look for published works. You can listen. Okay. You can see here paid, save, and history. So basically that's it. Now to start, then on the left side, you can see here other features like chats. You can see here messages, inbox. You can see your activity, notification if you have something to look for like messages or chats. Any new alerts. Also, analytics. Here you can see overview. You can see how many subscribers you have, the people who view your work or listen or read your work or your post. You can see it right here. You can also see your drafts. You can see your shared post and so on. You can see suggestions and then your recent activity. Now, to start with everything, you just have to click the plus icon. So you have to choose note, post. You can also publish a video if you want. So here you can see title. So basically, you can add whatever title you want here. So for example, if you want to create a newsletter, which is our tutorial for today, just add the title above. You can look for style. You can tap bold, italic. You can tap on this clip icon right here if you want to insert a link. You can add images, you can add audio, you can add video. You can change the font style if you want. Okay, so you just have to go above right here and then just choose whatever format you want. To start, you can add the body right here. So basically just type or paste if you have it already. You can also add here like subscription, comments, and so on. So basically, all you have to do is to add a title and then add your body right here. You can start writing. You can attach links to that. You can attach image. You can attach a video. You can even also attach URL if you want to. So basically, that's how easy it is. Just make sure your newsletter is ready so that you can just paste it right here, or you can also do it manually. You can add buttons, and aside from buttons, you can add features like poll, financial chart, you can add podcast, and so on. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to paste it, I'm going to add a title, and then my name. Now I'm going to add the body or the message. Now here's the thing, you can add divider, you can add whatever feature you want to add here. So just go above and then you can just choose whatever you want to add, lines and so on. Again, you can add also images, audio, you can insert a link or video. Everything is up to you. Now, if you want to add buttons, just tap on the more above, and then here you can add subscribe, comment, and so on. So basically, this is what it looks like. And again, if you want to change the font style, just go above right here. So here are the choices. You can even add here like share post if you want to add poll, if you want to add like insert, leave a comment, and so on. Let's just say if the viewer tap on the subscribe button, and then this is what it looks like. If they want to upgrade, if they want to pay for subscription, they just basically tap the subscribe now, and then it will take them directly to their choices, plans, and payment method. So you can see here mobile view, desktop, and so on. This is what it looks like. Once done, then Basically, you can tap on review and then tap on share. Okay, so that's how easy it is to create newsletter. If you tap on share, all you have to do is copy the link and then paste it anywhere. Like if you want to share it to someone using your Gmail or your WhatsApp or your other applications, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and so on. Before you can send it to someone, you will have your options here. So you can just restrict, allow, or you just have to click private if you want to send it to someone specifically. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You just have to copy the link and then send, or just add their email and then send. So if they click that one, then it will take them directly to your post here on Substack. And basically, that's it. So feel free to create your newsletter using Substack. This is Substack tutorial, how to create a newsletter with Substack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.